Tucked away in the heart of Las Vegas, the Golden Tiki felt like stepping into a tropical fever dream. Palm leaves, rum-colored lights, skeleton fountains, and birds that don't hold back. They'll roast you seriously. Somewhere between all that, I grabbed a pen and let the vibe take over. And here's what came of it.
Hi, how are you?
Did you get some reservations?
No, but there's
Some drinks. We're talking tonight, all right, you guys?
yeah, thank you. Cigarettes. Oh, thank you, thank you. I'm a leader.
So after 45 minutes, no chasers, and no erasers, this is what I came up with. If you're in Vegas, make sure you check out the Golden Tiki.